A clearer and safer world with Mingshong. Mingshong Tech, as a national high-tech enterprise integrating product research and development, production, sales, and services, Mingshong Tech has set up a modern garden-style industrial park in Huizhou City, Guangdong Province. An established Huizhou Mingshong Tech with a complete technical team, more than 70 people. Mingshong Tech has worked closely with many domestic 985-211 universities, the University of Toledo, the Israel Institute of Technology, and the Chinese Academy of Sciences to jointly develop research and development work on imaging chips, smart buses, millimeter wave radars, laser night vision, etc. The products of Mingshong Tech are integrated from the simplest reversing images, 360-degree panoramic monitoring, long-range front impact ADAS and BSD side collision active detection and early warning recognition, visual and millimeter wave, and then upgraded to DSM fatigue driving recognition, equipped with a smart safety management system with features such as remote cloud monitoring and cloud computing with a 4G or 5G network, integration of human, vehicle, and environment, as well as 3D remote personality. Trials and hardships along the way. Mingshong Tech has gradually built a completed ecological chain covering the whole car factory, transportation enterprises, drivers, government, and other elements, as well as developed into a connected car software and hardware platform with cloud services, big data, and artificial intelligence as the core, leading the way forward for Chinese automobile safety and intelligence. The products include reversing rear view system, vehicle-mounted GPS locator, high-definition vehicle-mounted camera, display, 360 vision, and vehicle-mounted video recorder. Under the big wave of the internet industry, industrial intelligence, Mingshong Tech, combined with connected cars and artificial intelligence, millimeter wave radar, laser radar, and other sensor technology, has promoted its own research and development of commercial vehicles, dedicated ADAS automated driving assistance system, especially on the vision algorithm. It enhances the functions of strong light inhibition for visual LLL night vision, fog penetrating in rainy and foggy weather, and the glare beyond the limits of human, to provide users with clear, safer, and more distant New Horizon security services. Forward collision warning system, lane departure warning system, pedestrian collision warning system, vehicle thermal imaging obstacle avoidance system, vehicle right blind area alarm system. The functions and systems of GPS tracking, DMS, state monitoring of drivers, 3D view, ADAS, front collision, and BSD side collision active detection and early warning reminding constitute the three-dimensional completed function matrix of the Mingshong Tech products. The top management of Mingshong Tech sets up the specialized quality test laboratory, PLM product lifecycle management system, and MES tracing system to strictly carry out a series of inspections and tests. Cover alcohol abrasion test, waterproof test, IP69K high-pressure jet test, salt water spray test, high-low temperature test. Currently, the company has 28 registered trademarks and more than 50 product patents. Mingshong Tech has certified by CE, the EU ROHS, the American FCC, and IATF 16949, ISO 9001 14000, ISO 9001 18000, and 3C certification of China Certification Center for Security and Protection, and has been awarded honors of Top 100 Small and Medium-Sized Innovation Enterprises, 10 brands of China vehicle-mounted video, etc. Meanwhile, the connected car platform of Mingshong Tech has certified by the Ministry of Public Security and the Ministry of Transport, and has already become a first-tier and high-quality supplier for Ford, Safefleet, Morgan, JMC, Yutong, Zhongtong, GAC, Dongfeng, Sunu Truck, BYD, and other domestic and foreign companies. After a decade of grinding sword and experience the great waves sweeping away sand in the marketplace, which is full of strong competitors. Mingshong Tech has explored a suitable and sustainable development way